Cardano most certainly is a mid-positioned coin with the ticker ADA that has a fundamentally present worth of $0.284379 and a market capitalization of $10.02 win 124,886, which essentially is very huge. Digital currencies most certainly have genuinely lengthy past the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure sellers in an unobtrusive way. These days, it's a resource class that is considerably managed and, surprisingly, took on as legitimate delicate amazingly. Some huge venture banks even especially get Cardano and in every practical sense, other digital currencies as a group to generally safeguard their resources under administration, against a jogging expansion that handicaps the conventional monetary business sectors. Or so they thought. Presently, now is the ideal time to truly uncover our short, mid, and long-haul forecast of the improvements on the ADA market that for the most part depend on the readings of our kind of remarkable crypto unpredictability file that certainly assists us with checking the market opinion and for the most part expect where in which the market means to go by and large. At this point, the cost of Cardano truly is $0.284379, while the coin as of now generally winds up at 10th spot in the fundamentally by and large truly positioning. The said fundamentally positioning basically is assessed based on the resource's genuinely present value that explicitly is duplicated by its ongoing business sector capitalization, a recipe that essentially is applied all through all monetary business sectors in an unobtrusive manner. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions, so our clients explicitly get the most important information in regards to the presentation of advanced assets in their portfolios. It's likewise vital to basically consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing incredibly. On October 26, the cost of Cardano essentially was at $0.280556 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change most certainly added up to 1.50%, which is genuinely huge. 7 days prior, on October 20, ADA was esteemed at $0.246915, which sort of truly intends that from that point forward, the cost essentially has in a real sense changed by 0%, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. A month prior, on September 27, the market member laid out the cost of Cardano at $0.245401. In this way, the coin by and large has taken a 15.88% action to arrive at its extremely present standings in an unobtrusive manner explicitly. Notwithstanding, as currently made sense of, the cost of Cardano isn't the main all things considered variable that we in every practical sense consider while making the cost forecast. It's likewise critical to for the most part keep a truly sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to explicitly have a truly clear perspective on where the market basically is going in a really significant manner. The examination of market capitalization sort of conveys in every way that really matters equivalent significance in both digital currency and conventional business sectors, which is very huge. As a matter of fact, similar numerical methodology in every practical sense is utilized to all things considered, decide the essentially generally speaking position and prominence of computerized resources and stocks, for example. Changes in market capitalization positive or negative basically are likewise characteristic of the manner by which the said market could generally be going, as well as the resource's true capacity for making gains or posting misfortunes in both short and especially long-haul viewpoints in a genuinely huge manner. This especially specific kind of measurement is likewise used to check the predominance of Cardano, comparable to the remainder of the digital currency market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition in an unpretentious manner. To for the most part decide the really current market capitalization of ADA, we generally increase the circling supply, the boundary that will be by and large made sense of later by the sort of present worth of the cryptographic money under survey. Starting today, the market capitalization of Cardano certainly remains at $10.02 win 124,886, which frames the reason for really present commonly positioning generally was referenced before. Yesterday, on October 26, ADA had a market capitalization of $9,884,653,307. Keep going week, on October 20, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to essentially was recorded at $8,696 win 300 win, in opposition to mainstream thinking. A month prior, on September 27, the market worth of Cardano sort of was evaluated to basically be $8,619,946,502. Complete stockpile considers the quantity of coins that sort of have previously been created by different means, for example, through mining. These digital currencies can in a real sense be utilized either for sort of dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers. This extremely metric likewise figures the coins that have been deliberately gotten rid of through the cycle called consuming, which essentially is applied to control the expansion rate in an unpretentious manner. At this point, the especially all-out supply of Cardano most certainly is laid out at 36,289,808,364 ADA. Ultimately, the flowing stock is utilized to sort of work out the market capitalization and generally evaluate the coin's ongoing remaining in the positions in a fundamentally significant way. It signifies the truly generally measure of ADA that for the most part is buy and buy exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that in every practical sense are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly sort of put unavailable for general use out of the blue in a significant manner. It's by and large accepted that digital currencies that essentially have a flowing stockpile between 60 million and 150 million explicitly are the most appropriate for kind of long-haul venture, since they sort of are generally in every practical sense liable to, all things considered, appreciate in esteem over a drawn-out timeframe, perhaps many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate. Or so they fundamentally thought. At this point, Cardano really has a flowing inventory of 35,238,683,105 coins, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Over the for the most part beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with ADA arrived at the place of $264,775,083 versus the basically thought. Yesterday, on October 26, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame in every practical sense remained at $244,490,112. 7 days prior, on October 20, how much ADA that was traded between market members by and large was assessed at $120,248,644, which especially is very critical. Presently most certainly comes an opportunity to truly make sense of exhaustively the embodiment of the crypto instability record, CVIX, since it's a focal point of our cost forecast model that permits us to basically predict the way that Cardano will fundamentally follow over the sort of next 1 to 5 years, or so they basically thought. CVIX in a real sense is the consequence of the fastidious work of our group of market specialists and programming designers that surfaced with a truly remarkable equation for measuring and imagining the normal market unpredictability and enhanced it with the imaginative fundamentally profound learning calculation that filters through a variety of verifiable market information to sort of convey the best Cardano cost expectation in the business in a significant way.